What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, isn't this so cute? It feels really nice too. It's like super cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. We also have zooming. What else do we have? Things I can't say during a video call. Anything else? Any other styles? Hopes, dreams, and video calls. We also have boxes of Bic pens. Lots of Bic. Any new stickers? Those are new. New and so cute. More stickers, puffy stickers. That's my first time seeing the hedgehogs and the unicorns and these little guys. Elephants too. Those are really cute. Oh, I gotta get some more of these. My husband loves these pens. Ooh, pastel highlighters, so cute. I found these in my other location. These are the little retractable erasers. Those are so cute, you guys. I love anything pastel. Good things take time. Jot it down. These are new also. These super cute, they're pretty flimsy, but these little expandable file holders with pretty pastels. And it looks like we have some new coupon holders as well. I feel like I missed something over here that I wanted to share with you guys. Oh yeah, these are cute. Ooh. New white erase boards. Aww. Prang Duo Color. These are new. We also have new brush markers. Ooh, cute binder pouches. These would be really nice for couponing. Permanent markers. Be Fierce. We have a lot of new stationery stuff. Notes Organizer. What's this? Notes Organizer. Subject, summary, cue. I like the layout. I saw a display of these as well, the big stickers. Oh, look at this one. It's so cute. I love that. We also have a unicorn. These are like little faux leather journals. Doggy. Those are cute. Those are really cute, you guys. Choose Happy. Notes. Color paper. I think some of these pens are new. Oh my gosh, look at these pencils. I love the erasers. Sports ones. actual Lisa Frank stickers. I think they were all put in here backwards though. Over 600 plus stickers. What are these? This is an undated dry erase calendar and it comes with stickers. Nice. All of these pens, furry pens, sequin pens, jeweled, squishy pens, dangly strings. That's what we used to call it when Gator was little. Poster markers. These are new from Crayola. Crayola construction paper. Index cards. We even have some big index cards over here. This is my first time seeing these here. Ooh, what are all these? Cute little stationery sets. Aw. This is such a vibe right here, like the neon jelly. I love it. New neon crayons from Jot. Pastel, Cosmic Uni. Mer Creatures sticker activity pad. Where are the stickers? Oh, there they are. And this location always has lots of books. A body of work. Need to know. When they fade. Summer cooking. What is this? Everything. Everything. What is this? The #1 New York Times bestseller, Nicola Yoon. Live life in a bubble or risk everything for love. Caesar's Last Breath, another really interesting cover. It feels really nice too. I've been seeing a lot of kids books lately, and not generic kids books, name brand kids books. Monster Appetite, James McGee, Sophia in the Purple Traveling Case, The Festival at Sugar Ridge, The Bright Siders, Don't Mess with the Girl in the Purple Lipstick, The Invention of Anna, Still Fooling 'Em, Billy Crystal, The Green Smoothie Prescription. Wow, you guys. How'd you score that gig? A Guide to the Coolest Jobs. Finding Yvonne, another super pretty cover. I'm going to be sharing even more new items, you guys, so definitely join me in my very next video. These are super cute. All right, you guys, see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. Bye, guys.